Good Thursday morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. I came across an interesting story from Carnival Cruise Lines about a passenger. Well, they received a lifetime ban over bringing a prohibited item on board the cruise ship. And I understand there's items that are on this prohibited list. You're not allowed to bring them on board the ship. But at the end, I'm going to ask you, is a lifetime ban really warranted over what she brought on the ship? I believe in following the rules. I think the rules are there for a reason, but I don't know. I kind of feel like a lifetime ban may not have been necessary. So this incident actually occurred back in August aboard the Carnival Horizon. A woman was boarding the ship in Miami to take her cruise, and in her backpack, they found CBD gummies. Now, these gummies were purchased legally online in Florida because they are conditionally legal there in Florida, and the passenger says she simply uses them to help her sleep, as a sleep aid. However, CBD gummies are specifically listed on Carnival's prohibited item list. Any illegal narcotics, drugs, including synthetic, designer drugs, CBD, and medical marijuana are prohibited. While certain CBD products used for medical purposes may be legal in the U.S., they are not legal in all the ports we visit and therefore are also considered prohibited items. Now that's directly from Carnival Cruise Lines, and Carnival Cruise Lines brand ambassador John Heald, well, he also addressed this issue and said, in line with the strict rules of the United States Customs and Border Protection, marijuana, medical marijuana, and its oil-based forms are not allowed to be brought on the ships. It is illegal to do so. Now, as a result of this, Carnival has issued a lifetime ban. They sent out the lifetime ban letter. It says this letter will confirm your discussion with Carnival Cruise Lines, Carnival Horizon personnel, where you were informed that you will be disembarked from this vessel and not permitted to sail on board any Carnival Cruise Line vessel in the future. This decision is based on your actions on the current cruise, which were a violation of the ship's rules, interfered with the safety and or equipment of other guests on the ship, or caused harm to Carnival. Okay, so that's basically their form letter that you've been banned. Doesn't specifically list, what you did. And it ends with saying your attempt to book a future cruise will result in cancellation and a possible loss of deposited money. So there you go. A lifetime ban for bringing CBD gummies on board the ship. And like I said at the beginning, I understand it's on the prohibited items list and you should not bring them on board the cruise ship. Now, whether you agree with that or you disagree with that, this is just a news story about something that happened. And my question isn't whether or not she should have been allowed to bring them on board the ship. My question is, should she have received a lifetime ban? Could the cruise line simply not have confiscated them? Could they simply not have been taken away and destroyed, or whatever the case may be? Is a lifetime ban really warranted over a simple CBD gummy? I feel like they could have confiscated them. I feel like even if they disembarked her from that particular cruise, did not allow her to board the Carnival Horizon, I don't know that a lifetime ban is honestly warranted over this particular case. It's kind of how I feel about it. Me personally, and this is just my opinion, I think CBD gummies are useful. I've used them for sleep aids. I've used them for pain. In my opinion, they work really well for those things. Okay. Now, I would not try to take them on the cruise ship because I know they're on the prohibited items list. But I still go back to that question as to whether or not a lifetime ban is just a bit excessive. But let me throw it out there to you guys. What is your opinion? Do you think the lifetime ban for this incident, this particular case of CBD gummies, is warranted? Did Carnival do the right thing? Or maybe they should reconsider a lifetime ban and just say, look, hey, you lost on this cruise because you violated, the rules. You brought something prohibited on the ship. Let this be your warning to not do it again in the future. What do you guys think? I'm curious to know where everybody falls on this particular subject. All right, and that's going to be our quick cruise news video for today. I hope everyone out there has enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.